Alright guys, we've been trading for the last hour or so and absolutely destroyed. We've been absolutely destroyed over and over and over again. It's been horrendous, absolutely horrendous. We just keep getting stopped out of trades, stopped over and over and over and over, and we built up to this like 847 dollar loss, which is huge loss. It's obviously not what we want to see, but that's all right. That's all right. We're powering through. We've got into this good trade now. This downtrend, which is looking pretty good. It's going to give us a little bit of hope moving forward, which is wild. But anyway, it's all good. So essentially, a lot of the trades I've been trying to take started off here around the 5 o'clock mark. So an hour and a half it's been, and yeah, these trades coming up here. I was trying to take some longs, entered in some shorts as well, and just got caught up in this mess, just being too zoomed in. To be honest, I think that was the biggest thing. You can even see now I've got this stop loss here in profit, but it wouldn't be surprised if we pop up and touch it. That'd be pretty. It's just been that whole session. This whole session has been like this for me, unfortunately. So, yeah, just been two things. Unlucky, but also impatient. It's the two things here. So, we'll have to see how we go. I did what I did in my last trading session. Was taking a loss and then entering another trade, taking a loss and entering, like basically straight away, like committing to the idea. Yeah, that's basically it. So let's see what happens here in this trade. It's looking promising. I'd really like to see us hit this low here, so I can take a long. That's where I want to enter a long down the bottom here. So yeah, hopefully need to make something back on this session. Absolutely horrendous session, man. Absolutely horrendous. It's promising so far. I'm just gonna respond to some messages. I should have been streaming right from the get-go. I don't know why I wasn't. But yeah, I just kind of jumped into trading and I just forgot about it, to be honest. And I was like, oh, I should stream. Obviously, it's not doing too well. So, anyways, um, all right. Seems like we are in the right spot in regards to this trade, which is good. Just wondering what we do about this stop in this regard. Alright, just keep driving through. Nothing to do here but just wait it out. Essentially just wait it out. go to my live session here. So I'll make sure that we've got yep, what we want in here. Oh god, it's already going against me. Man, it's just been a brutal session. Absolutely brutal. Brutal. I nearly stopped at a $500 loss. I thought, no, look, keep pushing through. We'll get there eventually. And yeah, just stop loss after stop loss after stop loss. All right. Yeah, look at this, bro. Oh man, so frustrating. It's probably gonna come up, touch my entry, you know. Some thought processes that we can do here, you know. We can chuck this into loss. You know, I still believe in this trade, so just be brutal to lose another one. Yeah, just don't know if I want to stomach another loss, to be honest. With all honesty. It's got a nice little rejection back up to the top here, and it's obviously bouncing from this little line here, which probably wouldn't have been a bad spot to take profit. Yeah, I wonder what's going to happen from here. It's really interesting. Yeah, man, what a shocking session. Absolutely shocking. We're at square one plus some, you know, which is just brutal. Absolutely brutal. Brutal. So we've got to claw our way back quite significantly, which is, it's just always really tough to do. It's really tough to do. Got some strong moves here in the last few minutes to the upside. On the 5 minute chart, still looks like it's in line with my trend here that I've drawn. We haven't broken that trend just yet. It'd be really nice to get this back down to a $500 loss on the day. That would be very nice. Very, very nice. Come on, sweep that low, baby. It's just so slow moving right now. So slow.
Order filled.
Ah, bro. What a frustrating session. Really frustrating. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Definitely hit to the confidence for sure. Yeah, absolutely brutal. Oh, oh man. Rough. Rough, rough, rough. And it's horrific when you have a much bigger losing day than your best winning day thus far. Really interesting. It still looks like a good trade. At least according to this trend that I've got drawn out. And I'm wondering if we do a limit sell back at this resistance, betting that we're going to move back down to this resistance here. Just another way that we could interpret this trend. I've been trying to go for some big wins though. That's the other thing. Right off the bat, I was going for 150 and I had plenty of opportunity to take wins at like 100, like we just did before as well. So it's a funny one, man.
Order filled.
All right, we're in this trade at the moment. This trade's no good once we break this high here, I'd say. Remembering that we've only got $100 left, approximately 150 bucks left, before we start. It's a nice little reject there, which is good. So we'll go into profit on this one. Be great to see if we sweep this low. I'm wondering if we just start taking chunks. Just get some confidence back up in the trades, you know, kind of thing. Just want to add my earbuds. All right, how are we looking? $20 in profit so far.
Order filled.
Oh man. Chip, chip, chip. Ah, we should probably take in the 50, eh? But we're not breaking that high. So, seems to happen to me over and over, man. Brutal. Brutal. And it's just so slow at the moment, too. I wonder if, 15, it's not looking that exciting. Okay, so we're starting to break that resistance here. So we might
Order
take
filled.
a long. We might have been wrong in doing that. We'll see. Go for the 50 here. All right, let's see. No. I don't think it's going to do it.
Order filled.
Back at square one, baby. This tells me, just get rid of some junk off this. Just get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Let me just focus on this. So gonna be an indecision here. But this looks like a nice strong move coming up. It's just not a lot of volume. It's really poor volume. Yeah, so you've got a bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish. And then this one is indecision, like a doji candle. Just really would like to see confirmation above. Patience is key here. Great to see if we can get back to square one. Be awesome. Okay. This is a really good question. I'm just gonna take the long on the
Order filled.
practice of here. Taken one position on the practice today. We're up $93. So, my practice is always doing better. Things take less trades. Just generally feeling more confident with the ones that I do. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's do a limit buy. Just see if we can get tagged in here. Come on. Just give me a little bit of a entry here would be nice. Any of these entries would be good. Around here would be good. The practice is doing well. Hopefully it gives us an entry here. I really hope so. Just a quick retest would be good. So what we might do, so we could go in for 3. Oh no, just we can wait. We can wait. It'll give it to us. Come on. Tag me in, but then don't go to my stop loss. Thanks very much. I think it just missed that tag by a tick. Fantastic. It's a nice strong candle, that last one.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. It's not looking promising already, man. This has been my whole night. This whole session. Hopefully this prints a nice blue candle to the upside. Hopefully. We need some sort of run here for us. You know, we've really need to tick off that $150 profit here. I think it makes a lot of sense where it's sitting. Just that next high there. Yeah, maybe not go into profit just yet. Just wait it out. Come on, baby. Yeah, I got that tight, pretty tight stop.
Order filled.
Frustrating. What a night, man. It's this over and over again. No, I don't know what to do. The sessions like this that really kick you in the teeth. Really good resistance at this level. Thing is that I don't want to put these trades with massive stop losses, especially when I'm not making much per trade. It's just a silly thing to do. I don't necessarily think this is gonna turn around to a long side. Time to crack open a beer. How bad this session is. That's what it is. Oh, that means we lost the read on the practice. Yes. And I actually wouldn't mind putting a limit sell here on the practice. Somewhere around there. But I just been like every trade I just got it wrong. Basically. That's what's happening to me every time. Do some Spanish study in the meantime.
Order filled.
I think that's a reasonable request. What I put in now. We've broken this trend, right? Hmm. This is horrendously slow. Horrendous. Maybe it's just times in the market. I just shouldn't be trading. But this doesn't look too bad, you know, in hindsight, but the volume's just trash. Maybe it's fine volume, maybe I'm just complaining about nothing. It was a bad entry, wasn't it? I don't
Order
like how
filled.
that's forming and it's going to hit my stop. Oh, man. We've seen this kind of shit before many, many times. Man, this whole session's so confusing, man. Every candle formation is throwing me off. Every time. What the fuck is happening? I just can't, I'm not reading
Order
into this at
filled.
all properly. It's throwing me off. I'm getting blindsided every time. Alright. So we can make like one more mistake, basically. Basically, I want this limit buy down the bottom. If we can get that. But this whole formation here is just confusing as shit.
Order filled.
I think it's short material. Really want to see this come back down. If it breaks this full high here, we're no good, but if I can do something, it's so boring. So boring. Did it hit my practice stop? No, not yet. So you know what I want to do? Just thinking. I wanted to add this on the stream as well. It was a close up on my lost balance and that kind of stuff. If it'll let me do that, window capture to close up. Cool. Just need it above this window capture. Man, look at this trade. It's fucking frustrating. It's nothing's moving. All right, let's crop this. 500. Too much. 300. 200. 250. Can I go up? Oh, I can. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hit that stop. Okay. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So I'll be able to have this enlarged so you can see how much money I'm losing. At least, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, there we go. Now I can make that giant. Ah, that's pretty cool. I rate that. So if we lock that bad boy in place, we're sorted. Yeah, so that would have hit my stop loss here. I don't know what it's gonna do now, man. It looks bullish. We're really hoping we're gonna revisit these lows, which doesn't look like it's gonna happen. I wouldn't say there's a little bit of respect to this here. Maybe we've shifted up. Be good to see another pullback to here. Just my luck, you will touch my stop loss. So even on the practice, we're losing money today. Brutal. Anyway, let's do my homework. Oh, it was easy. They kind of stuffed up and made the answers really easy to get. Here we go. So it looks like we're going to touch this. Actually, I'm really keen on this trade.
Order filled.
I really like it. I think this is a really good point of resistance here and support. So let's see if we can make it back up. I'd probably like my stop somewhere here. Pretty aggressive. We have 7 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. 2, 1. All right, printing the new one. So we've had one candle to the downside. Let's see if his print's nice and blue. All the way up, baby. Need a bit more room to breathe on these next following trades. Please and thank you. Be really nice. Man, what a horrendous day. I can't get over it. Oh, man. Alright. Let's see what happens here.
Order filled.
Loss after loss after loss after loss. Just wrong, 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 wrong. Three minutes left on this candle. Let's see how it prints. Maybe you can pick up my entry.
Order filled.
There we go. It's gonna hit my stop, isn't it? Yeah.
Order filled.
We've cleared. The count's done. Deactivated. Look at that. Oh man. Still really like picking this up from below. So that all the trades we lost today, we just basically stop, loss, stop, loss, stop, 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 stop. So I don't feel too bad about it. You know, sometimes you do lose like 10 trades in a row, 20 trades in a row. It happens. And maybe it was just my day to do that. So I'm not upset about it. Just frustrating. That's all. All I can do is walk away from today and go, like, hey, it is what it is. Have another go tomorrow. I'm not going to change my strategy. Hopefully we get tagged in on this. Maybe we can
Order filled.
just enter here. Because I do feel like we're gonna have a good bounce pretty soon. 20 seconds left on this candle. Probably like to see this here. We'll put another limit buy down the bottom here.
Order filled.
Oops. Did I cancel that?
Order filled.
Huh. Well, that was a mistake. Alright. I do really want to see this pump up a little bit higher. We might take the 87
Order filled.
on this. We're going to put another limit buy down here. So what do we end up in on this one? So down 900 from break even, essentially. 850 and $3. 90 cents. That's important. Yeah. Real bugger. That is a huge loss. Man, that's really frustrating because, you know, when you're trying to maintain consistency, you know, I really haven't had any $1,000 days on both the practice or the live in the last week or so. So, you know, it's going to be interesting to see if I can bring that back up to break even. Might take 2 sessions, I'm not sure, but it's definitely times like this that make you really question everything, eh? And also going for the 150 is a change in my strategy too. Because we had plenty of times we're in pretty significant profit, and it's not how we were playing the game yesterday either. Yesterday we were really focusing on just taking those small wins, small win, small win, small win, small win. And we've had the opposite happen to us. We've taken small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss. So I wonder if I really want to see if I can dive into these trades a little bit closer. Because it's pretty basic, this, right? And I don't care about the overall. I want to see the individual trades. So let's go to, I'll go to topic. Top step. .com. Just see if I can see that detail. All right. On the training report, it doesn't give you. So it said my average winning trade was 37.22 yesterday. My average loss was 36.77. Yeah, that checks out, man. Checks out. Let's see what my practice says. Some practice says my average winning trade is 42 and my average losing trade is 49. Makes sense. My winning percentage is 63%. Yeah, checks out. So it doesn't look like we've made that revisit down that I thought we might. But I'm still super happy taking that profit. Still might happen. Bitcoin's had a bit of a run down today as well. That's really cool. You can see that now. I really like it. Let's see if I can watch that back. That's cool. Plays it back live, nice and big. Tomorrow is Friday. Man. Be great to finish the week green if we can. Back at the top. There you go. This might be our second little drop down. Let's see. Nice to see some moves on the table as well now. Before it was really slow. That's probably part of it too, man. Just get out of it. Don't trade it. Getting sucked in, you know. I really want to see all my trades back. Just didn't find that button yesterday. It's definitely not. Just basic settings. So Trader Hub. I'm gonna
Order
enter
filled.
buy here.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Order filled.
Chase and move back up.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
I think it looks promising to me. It's a very precarious trade. I'm gonna take that
Order
off.
filled.
Just wait. Because it could go anyway. And getting with that size was not a good idea. I like this trade on Bitcoin too. Going on a trade on Bitcoin as well. I like this spot for a rebound. Already in profit on that, which is good. Okay, this was a good trade over here. Just wasn't confident in it. Test, test. Test, test. Just testing the mute button, if that worked. Push to mute. Let's try a different button. Z. Test. Test. Don't know what it's doing when you press that button. Test, test. Who knows? Alright, let's see what happens here. I really like to see us revisit this low. So I really like to see. Don't want a screenshot. Oh. Yeah, I wonder what that button is, man. Fucking painful. Really want to see the old trades. Why is it loading? A new page. I'm gonna look at the Discord. Bitcoin trade's still going well, which is good. Targeting like let's see what that percentage, 20%. Profit target on the entry. So let's see if we get it. Stop loss is set at $6, $7. If we get something today. Trading harm. Now, what was it under? It was under this. Plus of X, Discord. Price does not know what it's doing here. Oh, we got so close to that limit by, again, one tick away. This happens to me so often. People were very friendly on this Top Step Discord. And responsive, sorry. Which is awesome. Doesn't exist. That's why I said vote up that feature request and wait for it to be implemented. Someone just shared their loss for today, or their win for today. I'll show my loss. Okay, yeah, so we just missed out on that entry on this trade. Just. And because we had our entry here, right? But it didn't tick. Man, that's crazy. Crazy talk. Trade on Bitcoin's looking pretty good too. All right. Not bad. I might move that into profit. I don't worry about that anymore. We're betting we're going to get a run up here. Our target on this trade, I'll draw it on here, it's on my iPad, is here. And we have at a break even basically, so. And this is for reals money. For reals. People are nice. That's good. People right into this order block trading. It's cool we're at 50% of that profit on this Bitcoin trade. I don't think we're going to go up in one go on this. We may do. Now the reason that I entered this trade, because we've got this nice resistance here and support. You know what? We're going to take the 16 on that, because I think we'll come back down and retest. Let's see. Order history, P&L. See, out of that $15 trade, it gives you $11. And we lost $12 the other day. Yeah, that's shit, man. Well, we can take. So that was our win just here. We'll see where it goes. Because it's touching the psychological level of 65,000. My apologies. So it'd be interesting to see if it powers through it or not. Alright, what's going on over here? That's cool. They show these top step payouts as well. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're starting to get rejected from that spot on Bitcoin. I think I was right to take that. Oops. Yeah, we're going back into slow mode. Still really keen on this other trade here. Probably pack it up pretty soon. Have a break. Been trading for quite some time. Let's drop into chat. Hello. Looks kind of promising to the
Order
upside here,
filled.
doesn't it? Not that it's going to happen anytime soon. Pretty slow. Two minutes left on this candle.
Order filled.
Knocked out. Not the response I was expecting. It's like a micro S&P. Looks like the exact same chart, doesn't it? Man, I wish we could listen to mainstream music on stream. It would be nice. Not much going on there either. Can I search for like let's look at gold. Micro gold. All gold. Whole market's pretty quiet.
Order filled.
What other instruments are there? Nasdaq, platinum, natural gas. So Japanese yen looking like a mimic of gold. Nothing's screaming out, is it? Amen kit, come on. Alright, so we got the reject there. So it might be gearing up to get the trade that we wanted. Me patiently waiting for this. Very patient. So it was a short opportunity, not a long. Got a nice retrace on Bitcoin as well. So it was right to do the sell. I nearly chucked in a short as well, but I was conservative. Maybe we will see a revisit. The fees are no good for trading it's a small amounts. You really need to be making double at least of what you're losing. Make it worthwhile. Oh. I want it early night start too.
Order filled.
Oh, the order got filled. It was a loss, wasn't it? Gold. Let's have a squeeze. Yes. Yeah, we're not doing well on anything today. Almost there. Taking its sweet time. Oh man. Today has been tough trading. Just thinking out aloud, if we're confident
Order
that we're going
filled.
to make a move back down to this low. Pick up that limit buy. And why don't we commit to the idea? If we believe that to be correct. Can't see underneath the limit buy, but I think the profit's 140. I think. Yeah, might as well commit to the idea.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO. Beautiful, beautiful.
Alright, it's looking positive so far.
Order filled.
Nice. So did it cancel my other order?
Order filled.
Oh,
Order
yeah.
filled.
Oh, wow. We're at like, okay. They'll take it. We'll take the L. That's fine. I probably should have been more patient. So it's interesting. It must have hit the limit buy before it did the take profit on the other order and cancelled the other order. That's interesting. Really interesting. But it doesn't have to stop here, so we don't have to fool ourselves into thinking that it's going to. Let's look on the 5. Yeah, I
Order
like that
filled.
trade.
Order filled.
Oh no. Alright. So basically back at square one. We had made a really good trade. 2 losses. Bringing us basically back to square one, you know. So Yes. I think it's the right thing to do, man. Chuck the long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I guess it's the right thing to do. Just wasn't ready for it.
Order filled.
I'll take the 180 on that. Alright, that's good news.
Order filled.
We've got 16 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Because I think we'll get a rebound here. We're going to take that into profit. Right, 25 seconds left on this candle. We might take the Hanji if we get it in a second. It's trying to push.
Order filled.
Bugger. Just tapped me out. We'll put a limit by a little bit lower. Yeah, that's a bugger. Just working on my Discord channel. Alright, 4 seconds left on this candle. Yes, I think the stop loss is just too tight. Way too tight. Okay. Let me see here. I'm trying to set up my verification level. Yeah, so we would have got that trade. It's unfortunate. We got both of them, to be honest, that we were looking for. So, just impatient. Though, we are looking better on the RPNL. Some progress with the server. What's going on here? Let's see if we get this limit by. Be good to see that one more retest. I can connect my YouTube channel. I had a trading bot for FTX in my account. Wild. Wild times. I think we will get this. Looks promising. We probably just want to be a bit more room to breathe. One seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Printed. Come on, give it to me.
Order filled.
Yes. Finally. Well, it was a hard slog. Hard slog. But following the process, which we didn't do on the other account. So, anyways.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Don't like that entry.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's bullshit, wasn't it?
Order filled.
It's positive.
Order filled.
Sweet, we got it.
Order filled.
What's this on? Why are we in trades? Close all,
Order filled.
flatten all. I don't know why. Oh, was it yeah, what trade was that? MES. What do we have on? Oh, micro S&P. Oh, it was a short. It's made the chart really big. Okay, I see what's going on. So what's going on here? So that probably would have been a good trade too. But and you. Bitcoin's back at 65,100. Top step. See, we had a short on MES. That's what we had before. And we flattened it. We exited at so we can see all our trades. That's what I want to see on the 50k. Let's move this okay. Yeah, man, look at that. So, I don't know if you can see that on the chart. You can. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. So it's like, what date is this? 5. Here we go. So we made $5. Lost 50, 10. Just stop loss after stop loss. This one I moved my stop loss, obviously. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Any wins we made were very, very small. Stop, stop, stop. All of them were stops. So we lost 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I call those losses. They're just from me moving my stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. I'd almost say 28. Because I'm going to count these as well. Oh, that was the day before. So 26, I think. Does it let me, does it just count? Is this like Excel? No, it just says 10 rows, which is not what I care about. Oh, I can export it. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. What's gonna happen here? I don't know. So it's cool we exported that. Let's open that bad boy up. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, 26. We had the count right. 26 trades in a row. Yeah, I would call them all losses. They weren't successful trades, so. I'm liking this little resistance that's built up. Yeah, which we've kind of missed the entry for now. Man, maybe we'll use some complicated tools. I'm just looking through Discord. Didn't use any of that. Looks all very special. It's a nice rejection from that level. It's pretty arbitrary, that level that I've drawn there. It looks significant on the 15 second, but yeah, you could argue that it's not. I don't know. The short that I had in, because it makes sense on the S&P, that level, so I don't know what the significance is there. It's pretty good on the practice account. I guess yesterday across the practice and the live account, we did like 1200, 1400. So I guess my comment earlier about the fact that I wasn't able to do over 1,000 in a day. I don't know why the account P&L only says 1376. Don't think it updates. Yeah. This looks like a pretty good short here, doesn't it?
Order filled.
This is MNQ? Yeah. It's above this range. It's scalping out 50, I think. Just this bottom of the range. Whoops. I think this trade makes sense. At least on the 15 second that is. This last candle was fairly weak. This one was looking good. We got 25 seconds left on this candle for it to turn around, so let's see. Yeah, prints 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9. We got a
Order
very
filled.
small stop loss. Haha. There we go. Printed the. That looks really strong, doesn't it?
Order filled.
Really strong. Just go to the back of the top of this. Just on the 15 second. Do you think it's gonna try for it? Or are we gonna back down?
Order filled.
Back down.
Order filled.
I think this is the right entry here. I think it's gonna do it. Just got to wait it out. On the 5, it looks really strong. So we've gone from a long to a short to a long. No, a short to a long. Yeah, which we're gonna lose by the looks of it. Not even halfway through this printed candle. Really, like these kind of trades, playing in the dirt, aren't they? And you can see the trades I really waited for the setup for. They were the good ones, man. We did well on those. So you can really tell. Patience is key, isn't it? For my strategy, anyway. I don't think many people are that successful at this such low time frame that I'm trying to scalp on. It's pretty stressful too. See that thing? It's gonna knock me out of this trade in a second. I thought it looked strong. I thought it looked strong. The way the last candle closed, so
Order filled.
clearly can't trust that at all. So we're back down to 90. I think we're at $90 like an hour and a half ago. It's wild, dude. So easy to backtrack. Yeah. You really got to protect those gains, don't you? So we went short, long fail, long fail. We longed here, didn't we? And we shorted here somewhere. And it took me out there. So, yeah, you're just playing in the dirt. Junk trades, dude. Junk. We don't like them. I think you just really need to play the trades that have got more significant setups. They just simply do. It's as simple as that. It's just junk, isn't it? It also got eaten up. That last 5 minute candle. Brutal, man. Let's see if this one does the same. Oh, look at that, man. I thought that would happen. It's gearing up for a move for sure. I don't think we're coming back down to pick up this buy. So we got knocked out of two really good longs. I guess our just our stops were too tight. Simple as that. really stuck at that little resistance I've drawn out. Just seems pretty arbitrary. She's moving slow. Alrighty. Well, I think I might call it a night. We'll just leave it at that. $90 profit. It'll do. Just no good trades for me to take, or I'm just not doing well in general. So it's time to call it. Start the next day. Cool. Yeah, it's a pity. We lost it basically from here through this junk. Interesting. Well, we've got a long way to crawl back out of that, don't we? Valley. Signing off. All the best, guys. Take it easy. See you tomorrow.